So, have you ever seen someone sticking the head out of a car's sunroof, smiling, waving, maybe even dancing? It looks fun, doesn't it? But here's the harsh truth: it's dangerous, illegal, and sometimes even fatal. Hi, welcome to Steady Wheels. My name is Samir, and today let's talk about sunroofs. So, what is a sunroof? A sunroof in a car is a movable or fixed panel in the roof that allows light and fresh air into the passenger compartment. Sunroofs serve the purpose of providing natural light and ventilation to the vehicle's interior. They can be manually operated or powered by electric motors. So, where is the problem? Sunroofs are designed to enhance comfort and ventilation. They are not meant to be used as selfie spots or standing platforms. Yet, many people, especially children, are seen standing through them on highways or city roads. One sudden brake, a speed bump, or a careless driving, and things can go terribly wrong. Across India and the world, there have been serious accidents caused by sunroof misuse. From head injuries to ejections during collisions, the risks are very real. In some cases, children have been fallen out because the car hit a pothole while they were standing. What about the insurance and the legal impact? What most people don't realize is if an accident occurs while misusing the sunroof, your insurance claim can be denied due to negligence of use. Also, letting minors stand or sit out of a moving car violates traffic rules and can attract fines. So, what is the right way to use a sunroof? Use it for ventilation or natural light. Make sure kids are belted up and away from the opening. Never let anyone stand or lean out, even when the car is stationary. Always close it during high speeds or in crowded areas. So let's remember, cars are not meant for stunts. The sunroof may feel like freedom, but one moment of fun isn't worth risking a life. Drive responsibly and stay safe. So if you found this helpful, don't forget to share the video with someone who is misusing the sunroof. And if you like the content, do subscribe to Steady Wheels for safe driving tips. Till next time, drive safe and happy motoring. Thanks.